everyone, welcome back to school. I'm Wengie, your teacher for the year.
Wengie's our teacher? Oh my gosh! Hi Wengie. I'm Valerie. I'm Victoria. And we're both sisters.
Welcome to my class, Valerie and Victoria. Because you're in my class, all school supplies are edible.
All of it? We love your videos. We think you're very creative. Super cool. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is pink. And both of us love edible school supplies.
For your first assignment, paint something on your canvas.
Okay. Paint? Ooh, there's pink, I think. Maybe blue. This is my pink color now. I guess it's like a To make edible paint, you need yogurt and artificial food coloring or natural food coloring. Today we'll be using both. Here I am mixing the green paint. It doesn't really look appetizing, so I might make another one later. And I'm mixing the red paint, and the colors are not really vibrant and bright. Oh well, we just have to go with it. Wow, look how many colors we made. Oh, these are so cute. They're edible too. She said everything's edible. Edible marker. This looks like clear plastic. For the sheet protectors, we used our mom's failed keto rice paper recipe. All you need is cold water, gelatin, food grade glycerin, and a pinch of salt. To make this, mix all the ingredients together. Then bring it to a boil on the stovetop. Then pour it onto a silicone mat and let dry for 24 to 48 hours.
What is 5 times 10?
Okay, 5 times 10 equals 50. This tastes good. What's the next question?
How do you spell home?
These edible markers we bought so we don't have to make it. It's really cool. You could use it on cookies, edible paper, and it's really fun to use. This is how you spell home. Are we correct? Yeah. Check my... I want to see if this works out. It works like an actual crayon. And it tastes like candy belts. How did you do that? To make the edible pencil, you need Twizzlers, a pen that looks like a pencil, edible marker, and little scissors. First, you want to take your pen and take out the ink from it. Then replace it with a Twizzler. And make sure you strip it apart because it will be too thick if you don't. So here I am working all by myself while Victoria is eating all the Twizzlers because she's a little sugar monster. So for the eraser on the pencil, just cut a piece of Twizzler and use your hands to get all the bumps out of the Twizzler. Then put it into the eraser slot. then stick it back on your pencil. So for the tip of the pencil, just trim all the excess, then use an edible marker and color it. It's yummy, but also works. To make edible crayons, you will need some candy melts. You want to pour your candy melts right into your Wilton chocolate maker pot. After that, you want it to melt and make sure you have parent supervision. Then mix it a little, then put it into a syringe. Squeeze it into a straw. While you're waiting, cut out your labels, and our mom designed these on her computer. After you're done cutting your labels, try to take it out carefully. Use double-sided tape and put it on. Hubba Bubba, original. I think I know it. And their dispenser's a unicorn. I love unicorns. And I love gum. So to make this edible tape, you need bubble gum. And the best bubble gum to use is Hubba Bubba because it's like rolled into a tape dispenser. After, take your Hubba Bubba or any type of gum, then roll it into your tape dispenser. And there you have it. Ooh, this is cute. Whoa, these paper clips work. And it's edible. To make the edible paper clips, you need some pasta and make sure you have parent supervision. After, put it into paper clip form. Let dry overnight. Then use some edible paint to paint it. This idea was inspired by Emmymade in Japan. Still mixing in my color. Big difference. And then there you have it, an edible paper clip. This is amazing. I think I want to eat your notebooks, Chao. Notebooks? I'm in! I think eating off my bite is gonna be easier. All you need for this paper is a ruler, edible marker, hole puncher, and edible paper. So all you want to do is take your ruler, draw red and blue lines. And then you want to hole punch it on the side where the red line is. And then it's done. Uh-oh, we have a situation here. Ooh, I got a wild idea. Back to school. Let's see if this works. Basically, for the white glue, you just need plain white yogurt. You need to clean out a Elmer's glue bottle. You want to ask an adult to do it very clean with dish soap so you don't get sick. And then pour the yogurt into the glue bottle. Delicioso. I'm gonna try my oyster. Delicious. So to make your edible glue stick and eraser, we're gonna make some rice cakes. You would need rice flour, sweet rice flour, and boiling water. So to make this, you will want to put your flours together, then mix it. Put in your dough hook and start mixing it slowly. While it's mixing it, pour some hot water a bit at a time. And be careful because it's really hot. After it's done, you want to take it out and take out your dough hook so it'd be easier to get all the dough off. After you're done with that, put it into a large bowl. Flying down. After you put in your large bowl, you want to put it in a microwave or a steamer. So if you do the microwave method, you want to put it on high for 6 to 8 minutes. Put it back into the stand mixer and let it mix about 30 minutes until smooth. After it's smooth, you want to take it out and start kneading it. If you want a full recipe, it's in the description box down below. After you knead it, you want to shape it into your glue sticks and erasers. For the eraser, all you need to do is cut and shape your dough into a rectangle. Put the cardboard label from the real eraser to the edible eraser, and then you're done. To make the glue stick, you just want to take your rice cake and roll it into a cylinder. After you're done that, you want to try to put it in your glue stick. I had some struggles putting it in, but it was good at the end. These look so real and feel so real. Let's try this. Wow, it's goopy. Tastes like the paper. Oh, yummy, so yummy. Woohoo! To make the edible canvas, all you need is a canvas, brush, and food grade glycerin. So first you want to whip off the canvas. Then you want to replace it with edible paper. Then you use the glycerin, put it on the flame, and then put the edible paper on top. Then let dry. It won't be fully dry, but it'll hold on. And this is what it looks like after. Oh, it's just a dream. Oh, I wish it was real. I wish I was in school, but I'm in my bedroom. It's the end of the video. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We loved making this video and all the edible school supplies. And we hope you stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like. Bye! Remember guys, this is just for fun, the edible school supplies, so never eat the real thing.